trying to hit 100K on Instagram this year, so I'm gonna shoot some content. Hatchet Book Group sent me this book. It's Christine McVie from Fleetwood Mac. She was the other girl that wasn't Stevie Nicks. The book says that. That wasn't my quote. And it's really good. So I just want to put on my new moon boots and walk on the treadmill reading the book. Just gonna wear the Juicy Couture, I think, and keep it simple. Something on my head. And yeah, just make that little reel. Should I put on nails? We can think about it. I'm gonna take this stuff out to the kitchen and we can think about nails. Oh, I forgot to pee. I did grab a soda, but I forgot to pee. The boots I wanna wear. This has to turn around, so this is for... Okay. This is another shoe. I don't know, I got this Utica Club apron. I don't know what to do with it, but I'll do a shoot with it. I think I just found my outfit for the next one. I got this book about the artist that came before Elvis. And I think we'll just do this with the boots. I don't know if I could just knock that out tonight too. Ooh, that would be so fun. I'm never ahead on projects. Right, and then I think I'm just gonna wear this. Tied up tight, of course. And I'll just be walking and reading. Let's try it with the moon boots. They're so gorgeous. Ugh. I love shopping so much. Should this be tighter? Which of course it can't be. I don't think I love this. Do I just throw on some Uggs and do this with the Elvis outfit? I don't know. I'll have to watch the footage and see. I might be back.